Are you excited about the Ruggable Rug? There it is! Yay! So, this is an 8x10 rug, but I decided to order a 6x9, and I'll show you why. This side's not so bad. That's just our coffee table we put in the corner right now to give us some space for him. And then over here, you know, there's just not a ton of walkway space between the front door and the rug. So we put this blanket down because of suspect number 1 and suspect number 2. So although I love this rug, it's one of the Pottery Barn, I think, jute and wool chunky rugs. It holds on to fur. And since he's going to start crawling soon, I want to make sure that he has a clean spot to crawl on. So I'm hoping by going to a 6x9 rug instead of an 8x10, it'll give us a little bit more space in that walkway area. And so maybe I can even add a runner by the front door instead of that ugly little rug that we have there right now. So it just delivered. So I think we should go roll it out and unbox it. Let's see. So before we can roll out the new rug, I gotta clean up the old rug. So let's do that. Does anyone else's dogs break into stuff all the time? We had these beans that we bought for Christmas, and he decided to eat all of them one day. First time he did this, I was holding a glass of wine. Gotta be more careful now. Mwah. Sure what color it was gonna be, because you know how it can look different depending on the lighting and what filters people use. This is pretty. I like the color. I'm not sure where the pad is. Is it rolled up inside? Oh yeah, it's rolled up inside. Okay, so we gotta unroll this. This is not that comfortable. But it's kind of like the catchy side of the Velcro. Let's roll this way. Well, that didn't work. Okay, how to assemble your rug. 1, roll up the rug cover design side in. Well, I didn't do that. I kind of just crumpled it up. That's okay. Position the rug pad rubber side down. Check. Align the rug cover to the rug pad with 1 inch overhang. Unroll the rug cover and smooth out any wrinkles. Do not tuck the rug pad into the corners of the rug cover. Okay. Oh, we're not going to do this, but there is something you can scan to watch a how-to video. Well, that's nice. They reinforced the corners here. I bet that helps with the curling issue maybe that people were having in the reviews. Looks better than I was imagining, so yay! It's not too bad. It's definitely not super soft like my last rug, but that's to be expected. My last rug is definitely not machine washable. It's a little crunchy right now. I don't know if that'll go away. It's not quite flat, and that's probably because I just unrolled it, so maybe that'll go away once, you know, it's laid down for a while. It probably will. So yeah, the hue looks a little bit redder in the photo that they advertise with than it does in person. It looks a little more purpley, I'd say, in person. Just something to note in case you're looking into it and you wanted something a little more red. It is red, but there's more shades of purple, I'd say, which works out fine for me because, haha. Let's test out the vacuum. Okay, it actually suctions really hard, almost so hard that my brush won't spin. Okay, so I didn't love the way it worked with my Dyson vacuum. Let's see how it does with the robot vacuum. It made it! Okay, it did great with the robot vacuum. We'll see how it does on the corners because they're sticking up right now a little bit. So I may need to get some tape or something in the future to hold those down. So I wanted this rug for the obvious reason of it being machine washable because of these two. And then I also wanted it to be decorative, which it is. So this rug visually I think adds coziness. However, it's really not actually that comfortable. So I might also try to just take my old 8x10 rug pad and cut it down to a 6x9 and put it under here and see how that feels. See if the robot vacuum can go over it, and just test that out. And hopefully that would make it just a little bit more cozy. So yeah, we're not using the rug to anchor any of the furniture right now, and that was on purpose. If I am going to be washing this, you know, once a week or every other week, I don't want to move furniture around all the time. So this is just the season of life that we're in because of this little one, and I think he's going to like it because he's going to get to practice crawling now a little more. Obviously the lab approves of it. So far, my rescue puppy does not quite approve, but we'll see what she thinks later. I'm sure she'll eventually lay on it. If y'all would like me to do a review after I've had this for a little while, let me know. I didn't really plan this video out, so I'm sorry if focus is out. I know I'm looking like a hot mess right now. But if you like this video and want to see more like it, please subscribe and like and comment. And I'll see you next time. Thanks. Oh, you're checking out the camera.
What do you think, buddy? Huh? Oh, man. Yeah. Oh, not sure yet? Hi, sweetie. There's Ro. Oh, baby. Oh, you say just unroll it already. Okay.